Hey guys, it's Emily here down at Redwater Dodge, home of the $10 oil change, rig ready Rams, and now we buy your Ram. This is a 2021 Ram 1500 Classic. It just landed today, so let's go check it out. First things first, we're gonna start off with talking about why you want a Classic. So Classic isn't gonna have all of your fully loaded options, which is gonna make it a little bit less in price, which is great for someone who needs a truck but doesn't wanna pay, high 70s for a Sport. You're also going to have all of the same mechanical stuff. So you're still going to have your 5.7 liter Hemi with the 8-speed transmission. You're also you can still get these in night edition, so you're still going to have that sleeker look, which means you're still going to have your 20-inch rims, blacked out badging. And then this one also does have your 6'4" box, which is great for if you're going to be towing, you want to put some camping stuff in your box, anything like that. You also still do get the backup camera, and it is still equipped for towing, so you're still going to have the 4 and 7 pin wiring and the hitch receiver. But now we're going to check out the rest of the truck. Up at the front of this one, you are going to have your color matched bumpers. This one is a night edition, so you're going to have black grille as well as your black badging, and then you're also going to have the black halogen headlights. Fog lights on this one as well. As you can see, it is the lovely red pearl color. And then coming underneath the hood, you have your 5.7 liter Hemi. Along the side of this one, you're gonna have the 20-inch black wheels. Because it's a night edition, they come black right from factory. You're also gonna have the black Ram badging and your Hemi 5.7 liter badging. Heated mirrors on this one. It is your 6'4" bed. And then coming into the back, color matched bumpers on this one. You do have the dual chrome exhaust, your 4 and 7 pin wiring with your hitch receiver, and then you're going to have the night edition black Ram badging all across your tailgate. This one does have your backup camera. And now we're going to check out the front. Up in the front of this one, you're going to have your premium diesel gray cloth seats, 3 cup holders in the front up here, and then you do have a very large center console. In your center console, you're going to have 2 USB plugins as well as an aux plug-in. And then this center console actually does flip up. It is an extra seat. This is a great truck for a really big family. Another storage area right here, and then you're also going to have your glove box below. 8.4-inch touchscreen on this one. It does have your Bluetooth. You also do have access to your backup camera, super handy when you're hooking up your trailer. Your mirror does dim, and then this one is going to have your Sirius XM subscription in it. Dual climate control on this one, so each passenger can control their own airflow as well as the temperature. And then if you're not wanting to use this big screen here, you can just simply turn it off. Really handy at night, so it's not shining right in your face. And then you can use all of these buttons down here to control your climate, as well as tune your radio, turn up and down the volume. You can turn on and off your tow haul mode, as well as your traction control right here. All of your 4-wheel drive stuff is right here, and then you do have the dial shifter. On the steering wheel itself, you're going to have your hands-free controls and your Bluetooth, as well as your cruise control. And then the back side of the steering wheel is going to have some buttons on it for changing the radio station, turning up and down the volume of the music. Emily. You have a dimming mirror on this one, and then we're going to check out the back. This one is a quad cab, but they are making the quad cabs a little bit bigger, so you are still going to have lots of leg room for your passengers. 2 cup holders down here, and then you do have the full bench seat here in the back. Lots of storage in the back of your seat pockets on either side. And then you're also going to have a little bit of storage here in your door. Power locks and power windows on this one. You also do have the carpet floor mats, and then your seats do flip up. There is tons of storage back here, great for any straps or anything like that, as well as sporting equipment and groceries. This one is also going to have your 8-speed automatic transmission as well. If you want to make this Ram yours, you can click the link below for pictures and pricing, or you can give us a call, 780-942-3629.